Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstela. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a festival colorful look. I got a new palette from Beautique Cosmetics. Got their new weekend festival eyeshadow palette. So when I got this in the mail, I was like, girl, I have to do a festival look. A lot of music festivals going on right now, so you know, I just got inspired. So I'm gonna be using it today. So this is what the palette looks like. I love the packaging. It is really pretty. And then this is the inside of it. It is really pretty. I want to use these shimmer eyeshadows on the bottom, but I also want to use some of the shadows on the top, so I'm not sure what kind of look I'm going to do, but I know it is going to be colorful. And then it comes with a mirror. I already did my foundation and my concealer, and I set it just because if I didn't, it would be a way more longer video than it already is going to be. And I already set and prepped my eyelids as well, so I'm just going to go ahead and start off. And I did pop on my contact set just because I felt like a lighter eye was going to make the eye look pop even more, so that's what I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this one in my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and then with that smaller brush I'm gonna go ahead and dip into they have an orange shade, and then they have a purple one and a teal one. So I don't know. I'm going to start to deepen up the crease, and I'm going to go ahead and take the smaller brush and dip it into this teal color called Palooza. Yeah, Palooza. This one right here in the far bottom one. This one right here. And I'm only going to focus that on the crease. That's a lot of pigment. That is pretty pigmented. I only went in once with it, but I do want it more pigmented, so I am going to go in again with this shade. Then I'm going to grab the same brush I used before. I'm not going to grab any more product on the brush, just with whatever's whatever's left on my brush. I'm just going to start blending this out a little bit. Now I'm going to grab an even smaller brush. I think I'm going to grab a pencil brush, and grab this one. I'm gonna grab one of my Morphe pencil brushes, and I'm going to be dipping into this purple shade called a Swag, and I'm just gonna apply that to deepen up the crease a little bit, just give it a little bit of more definition. So I'm not gonna do it too much, just a little bit. This one right here. These are pretty pigmented, so when you use one of the like brighter and darker shades, you want to go in slowly, especially when I used to doing really bright looks, just so it can be easier for you to blend out and work with. So I'm gonna apply this to my crease. I'm gonna try to keep it more on over here, and then as I start to blend it out, I'm gonna bring it slowly to the rest of the crease. But I do want more of the definition on the outer V of the crease, so that's why I'm gonna keep it mostly on the outer V of the crease. And I'm not gonna bring it down like I normally do. I'm just gonna keep it on the crease like this, and then slowly bringing it to the rest of the crease. So as you can see, it's a little bit thicker and darker than on the rest of the crease, and that's what I want. So, and then like I said, I don't want it too dark, so I'm only going to go in one more time, but I am tapping off all the excess. And
rich trees, yep, my wrist on pink skis. Ring finger be shitting on my pinkies. Make a mad, oh man, I gotta hate that. Blood clap, money green like Jamaican.
Now I'm gonna grab the same brush that I used before with the teal shade. I'm not gonna put anything on it. I'm just gonna use it to blend this out a little bit. To blend it in a little bit with the teal shade. Half of the lid, I'm gonna be applying this neon green one called a neon. This one right here. And I'm going to apply that with a flat brush. And I'm going to wet the brush first with some rose water just because it's the closest thing to me. I normally use my Fix Plus, but it's somewhere over there. I don't want to get up and get it. I'm going to apply it to the first third of the eye. And then on the outer V of the lid, or like the outer half, I'm going to be applying this dark blue shade right here, which is called Trance. This one right here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to wet the brush and then apply it. What I like about the eyeshadows in this palette is that it doesn't have fallout. Like, I don't have any fallout at all. And this is like the third time I've used it, and I haven't had any fallout so far, which I really, really like. So, you know. In the center of the lid, I'm going to be applying this one right here. I'm just going to apply this with my finger to really blend out the two shades. I'm just going to redefine that purple crease. So I'm going to get the same brush and dip it into the purple one. And just bring it back. Now I'm going to wing it out. I'm going to be applying my Ulta Beauty Felt Tip eyeliner. Because, you know, we've got to wing it out. Okay. Now to add a little bit of more a pop of a color, I'm going to be applying NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner in the shade Vivid Sapphire, which is a blue one. Sorry. And I'm going to be applying this one underneath the black eyeliner. So I'm just going to do one little swipe. I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyelashes, but first I'm going to curl my lashes with my eyelash curler. I'm going to be using the mascara that I've been using a lot lately, Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara, and I really like this mascara. It really lifts up my eyelashes and gives it the volume that I've been looking for, you know, for my fake eyelashes. And then for eyelashes today, I'm going to be using my Icon lashes in the style Black Dahlia. So these ones right here, which I thought would be perfect for this look because they're pretty big and fluffy, and it is one of my favorite pairs by Icon. So I put on my eyelashes and I fixed the eyeliner. So now I'm going to move on to the rest of my eye makeup. I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash. On the bottom, I'm going to be applying the purple shade to smoke out my bottom lash. And then I'm going to be applying the green shade that I applied to my lid on top of the purple one.
Hey yo, BB, anybody hating these peepees? Sip a little mix, pop pill till I'm sleepy. I'm the one that bust it open out in Waikiki. Pull up in the ghost, I'm creepy. They don't want beef, sweet, prove it. Niggas better keep it on wax like a Q-tip. Keep it thick better than a cruise ship. Flower than a tulip. Flyer than your new bitch, I use it. Yup.
And then in my waterline, I'm going to be applying a color eyeliner. I do have two. I don't know which one to apply. I have a blue one and then I have a purple one. These were on sale at Sally's for $2 each. And these are from the brand Beautique, yeah. So I don't know if I should wear the blue one or the purple one. I think I'm gonna put the blue one just because I did use the purple to smoke out my bottom lash. So I think I'm going with the blue one. But now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and contour, apply my blush and my highlights, and then the lips, and we're done. Oh, I forgot mascara. The mascara first, you guys. The mascara first. And to contour, I'm going to be using my Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette by Tarte. And I'm going to be grabbing the shades Princess Cut and Angel. I'm going to be mixing those two. This one and this one.
To Miami, hop on the plane, don't need no plans. Shining so hot like a Grammy. Forget all the players, what they did. We gon' be buying the drinks.
I did get a new blush in my Itsy bag, and haven't used it, so I want to use it today. And this is Ofra's Chameleon blush. I did get a it did come in my Itsy bag, so it looks like. And then for highlight today, I'm going to be using my Spotlight Highlighting Palette by BH Cosmetics. This one right here. I'm going to be mixing the shades Dream and Radiance together. This one and this one. And then in my inner corner, I'm gonna be in my brow bone. I'm gonna be applying the shade called. Well, I'm gonna be mixing two shades as well. The one's called Ethereal and Glow, which is just this one and this one. And for lipstick today, I'm going to be using one by Wet n Wild. This is one of the Mega Liquid. Their Mega Last Liquid Catsuits, and this is a new shade. It's called the shade of Teal. It is a really pretty teal shade. This is the final look. I like how it came out. The palette is really pretty. You guys should pick it up if you guys are looking for a really good, colorful palette. The eyeshadows are really pigmented, easy to work with. So I do recommend the palette to you guys. And I love how this look came out. It looks really, really pretty. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.